So many users today face common challenges due to complex, inefficient systems that are difficult to access and use. So, to address this gap, our project offers a small, efficient, and scalable solution that simplifies record management, improves accessibility, and saves valuable time. It makes the entire process faster, easier, and more intuitive for all users. Now, let's take a look at the website. Here we have the main page, the sign up page. Now, we should keep in mind that if an employee or an admin does not have an account, then he or she has to sign up. So, we go into the sign up page, then we enter our credentials. Now, first we'll look into how an HR or an admin can access or use this platform. After entering the credentials, we click on the create account and it creates an account. This is now on this page. We can see the menu here, which displays what all data an HR can access. An HR can get an overview regarding the total employees and the people who are present today, the pending leave request, and who are on leave today. Now, moving on to my profile, we have here we can access the information of any employees, and we can also edit profile to give updated information, and we can save changes. A pop-up appears saying profile is updated, and the HR can also have an employment summary, the leave balance and attendance rate, and the years of service. Then we have the attendance records. Here we can track all employees attendance. Then we have the leave management, where an HR can manage the employee leave requests, pending ones, the approved ones, and the rejected ones. Then we have the payroll button, which manages all the employees' payrolls, and the HR can have access to these information. They can also access yearly payroll histories. Then we have info regarding each employees, the employee directory, where we have information regarding all the employees hired in a particular firm. We can also add, the HR can also add employees if there is any new employees, and he or she can also search specific information regarding specific employees. So this is how an HR or an HR can use this platform. Now logging out, we come back to the welcome back page. Now we'll look into how an employee can use this platform. Again, we go into sign up and enter the details. This time we click on the role as employee, and then we give on the details. After giving in all the details, we create the account. Now an employee's account is created. Now onto the dashboard, he or she, the employee, can access or get an overview regarding their attendance this month, their leave balance, their pending requests of leave applications, and their monthly salaries. They can also get info regarding their profile, attendance, leave, and payroll, just like HR's profile. Here we get the login credentials which we entered earlier, and again we can edit the profile. They can also get an employee summary and their attendance records, which tracks their daily attendance, the number of days they were present, the absent days, the leave days, and their workouts. And when an employee checks in into their firm, they click on this icon and they checked in, and when they check out, they can again click out on this, and here a pop-up appears which says the time at which we checked in and displays the time at which we checked out. Now moving on to the next, we have regarding the leave management. Here an employee can access their leave can get a brief summary regarding their leave requests. They can also apply for leave by clicking on this icon and give their data. and they can also have access to the data of payroll, and then log out again and we go back to the welcome page.